Hello and welcome to this video on the importance of learning how to use ChatGPT. In today's world, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we now have access to powerful tools that can help us with almost anything. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, and it is designed to help people with a wide range of tasks. With ChatGPT, you can ask it anything, and it will respond with accurate and relevant information. Whether you're looking for information on a specific topic, or just want to have a conversation, ChatGPT is the perfect tool. So why should you learn how to use ChatGPT? There are many benefits, including: it can save you time by quickly providing you with the information you need. It can help you learn new things by providing accurate and relevant information. It can improve your productivity by allowing you to easily access information and communicate with others. It can provide you with entertainment and fun, by allowing you to engage in conversations and discover new things. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves learning, ChatGPT is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals. So why wait? Start learning how to use ChatGPT today and see the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching.